Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you, and enjoy the video.
In this video, we'll be showing you how to replace the heater and AC fan on this 94 Camry, pretty much the same as any 92 to 96 Camry. Only tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and an 8mm socket and driver. First, we're going to pull down on this panel right here. Pull down and out. Next, there's two screws, one over here and one over here. What you want to do is start on this side and pull straight out. Okay, that comes down and off. Now as you look underneath, you can see there's your motor there. There's this block of connections that needs to be moved, and you can see actually one screw there. Now there's two screws right there. So you need to use a short stubby screwdriver and remove those two screws. So you want to use a short stubby screwdriver like this to remove those two screws. Now once you remove those screws, then you can pull this out of the way, and you can see that the fan has three screws that hold it in. And here's your connection. You want to press the button right here and pull down. I'm going to use an 8mm socket and a driver to remove those three bolts. Once those bolts are out, the motor drops right down and out. Actually, you can see with it came a little acorn, which means mice or chipmunks have been throwing stuff in the vent, and that's what can happen. They can get ruined by that. They can get jammed and then burn out, or they just wear out over time. They start making that groaning noise, and then they eventually just kind of stop working. So this is our original. This is a replacement from 1A Auto. You can see that they're all the same. They're going to mount in the same and hook up the same. Now obviously to reinstall, the motor pushes up in there. Make sure all your harnesses are out of the way, and it is shaped so it can only go in one way. See that there's a square area over there where that screw goes in. That goes kind of towards the center of the vehicle. So now we'll start the screws and tighten them up. Now that it's screwed in, and reconnect your plug here. Okay, and then you'll want to put this back and put your two screws back in. You want to put this piece of trim in, and what you actually want to do is you want to hook in this edge over here first. Press it in. Okay, and then install our two screws down low here. Lastly, we want to put this trim panel back in, and you can see this tab right here, which kind of goes back and just kind of rests in this hole here. Okay, so just put it up in like that, then push it up Make sure our clips go in. Push each side up. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.